Welcome to this GrabCAD Print Pro update. I'm James Short, and in this edition, we're focusing on fixturemate. Fixture design has long been one of those tasks that quietly eats up time and resources. It's essential, but often slow, complex, and dependent on specialist CAD skills. So much so that you might even be outsourcing it, but fixturemate changes that. Built into GrabCAD Print Pro, fixturemate is a fast, intuitive tool that lets anyone create production-ready fixtures in minutes, no CAD experience required. Whether you're designing inspection fixtures for CMM checks, assembly jigs for precise part alignment, machining fixtures for post-processing, or welding setups for consistent joins, fixturemate makes it fast and easy. Fixturemate can also be used to design forming tools and molds by generating custom-fit negative geometries around your part. It's ideal for thermoforming, casting, or press-fit dunnage trays. By automating the tedious bits and removing the technical barrier, fixturemate doesn't just save time, it changes behaviour. It makes fixture design accessible, simple, and fast. About 80% faster on average. Now what you're about to see is an uncut video. There's no edits and no trickery, it's just me creating a fixture from scratch in minutes. All within GrabCAD. With GrabCAD Print open, fixturemate is launched from the right-hand toolbar, highlighted, like all Pro features, with the new black Pro tag. Let's begin by uploading the part we want to fixture. You can import your 3D model in either STL or 3MF format. Fixturemate will automatically analyze the geometry to prepare it for fixture creation. Take a moment to orientate your workpiece as required. This informs our support placement and overall fixture layout. Next, we choose a platform type. You can select from standard components such as perforated panels, metal plates, or wooden bases. Alternatively, opt for a 3D printed base, either rectangular or convex in shape. This choice determines the mounting surface and influences how the fixture will be built. Now we'll create the supports. These are the parts that will eventually make up your fixture. Select the desired support shape. Choose from rectangular, cylindrical, conical, or a custom shape. Draw the supports by clicking and dragging. Then adjust the heights manually to suit the part geometry. Repeat this multiple times until you have your fixture adequately held. Then, if you're using a perforated panel, this is the right time to add mounting points to your fixture. You simply right-click on the support and select Mountings. Then, simply select the holes you want to mount to, and the CAD will adjust accordingly. With the supports in place, we can now generate the negative form. This step subtracts the workpiece from the fixtures to create a snug fitting cavity. Here you can fine tune the offset to make sure you get the right fit. It's useful at this stage to hide your workpiece. Simply right click and uncheck the show box. Now we can examine the negative to ensure there's no trapped volumes. Once you're happy with the supports and the negatives, we'll move on to adding fixture clamps to lock the workpiece in place. Simply select a stock item from the list, then click on the workpiece to place it. You may need to rotate it until it fits on top of your base plate. Once positioned, add the appropriate mountings to the base support for the clamp. Now it's time to customize and finalize the fixture. You can add labels, check the part fit, and if needed, include holes and cutouts. Furthermore, we can add a lattice to the infill for additional material savings and lightweighting. Finally, export your fixture as a print-ready file for GrabCAD Print Pro. You can also export drawings as instructions to assemble the fixture and save the design as STL or step files for future use. Now, simply close FixtureMate, make sure to save your files, and we're back in the print tray, ready to send the job to the machine. It's as simple as that. FixtureMate is available for all GrabCAD Print Pro users. If you don't use Print Pro right now, why not reach out and grab yourself a free 30-day trial license and test it out for yourself. This has been your GrabCAD Print Pro update for FixtureMate. Thank you for listening.